The coating production line of nanometer self-cleaning glass adopts a set of high-end intelligent equipments, special introduced by our company for the glass industry. It uses advanced nanotechnology to provide the glass capability of self-cleaning, which protects the glass from stains and keeps durable and clean. Next, I'll show you all the steps of this production line. Before coating on the glass, it's necessary to go through cleaning, cutting, and other preliminary treatments. Subsequently, the glass goes through the drying process, where the moisture on the surface of the glass is evaporated to prevent water spots from appearing during production. The glass enters the coating stage, where nanoscale self-cleaning paint is evenly coated on the glass surface through advanced precision coating structures, achieving precise control over the glass surface to ensure the coating quality. Finally, the glass enters the drying process again. Through high-temperature drying, the coating paint fully penetrates the glass surface to achieve high hydrophobicity. The coating line realizes the high efficiency and accuracy of the glass coating, providing glass manufacturers a strong support for the production efficiency and quality.